In this presentation, we are going to understand Node.js Runtime. We will explore how Node.js allows us to execute JavaScript outside of a web browser. So, what exactly is Node.js Runtime? Node.js Runtime is a JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It's built on the V8 engine, making it fast and efficient. It also uses an event-driven, non-blocking input or output model, allowing it to handle multiple operations concurrently. Now let's compare how JavaScript behaves in a browser versus Node.js. In a browser, JavaScript runs inside web pages and has limited access to browser application programming interfaces, or APIs, in a sandboxed environment. On the other hand, Node.js runs JavaScript on the server, which gives it access to system resources and full operating system access. It allows you to do things that aren't possible in a browser environment. Let's take a look at the architecture of Node.js. At the top, we have the JavaScript application layer, where your application code, written in JavaScript, resides. Then comes the Node.js runtime environment, which includes the V8 engine, Node.js APIs, and the event loop, which is at the heart of Node.js. At the bottom, we have the operating system, which provides system calls, file system access, and network operations. Let's delve deeper into the V8 JavaScript engine. V8 is Google's JavaScript engine that compiles and executes JavaScript code. It uses just-in-time compilation, often abbreviated as JIT, to convert JavaScript code into machine code, enabling high performance. V8 is the same engine used in the Chrome browser, making Node.js incredibly fast and efficient. Here is a sample JavaScript code. Now let's explore the event loop, which is the heart of Node.js. The event loop handles asynchronous operations and keeps the application running smoothly. It's based on a single-threaded execution model, using non-blocking input or output operations, and manages the callback queue efficiently. It runs continuously, checking for tasks, executing callbacks, and ensuring the application never stops running. Node.js comes with a rich set of built-in APIs and libraries that extend its capabilities. Some of the core APIs include the file system, often abbreviated as FS, for file operations, the hypertext transfer protocol module for creating servers, the path module for handling file paths, and modules for accessing process and operating system information. On the right side, you can see the Node.js API usage example with code. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this presentation. Firstly, Node.js Runtime enables JavaScript execution outside the browser using the V8 engine and system APIs. Secondly, the event loop architecture provides a single-threaded, non-blocking input or output model for high-performance applications. In conclusion, Node.js transforms JavaScript into a powerful server-side language. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.